Hello, welcome to SharonBeMakinStuff. I hope you guys are in a dessert kind of mood because today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make these oh so delectable butter pecan tarts. Or do people call them pecan butter tarts? It doesn't matter because there is both pecan and butter in it and both of those are delicious. So if you're ready to make this awesomely Canadian dessert, then keep on watching. So the first thing you're going to need is some melted butter. I used 1/3 cup here. You're also going to need 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/3 cup of dark corn syrup. Next on the list is about a cup of pecans. Do you guys call them pecans or pecans? I don't know if it's like a Canadian American thing, but I call them pecans. Let me know what you call them. You're also going to need 2 eggs that are lightly beaten. Next we have 1 teaspoon of lemon juice just to cut through the sweetness a little bit, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Last on the list is 24 frozen tart shells. And because the title says easy in it, I feel like I gotta live up to the promise and deliver. So we are using the pre-made frozen stuff today, my friends. You are welcome. Alrighty, first things first, we're gonna dump our melted butter into a mixing bowl along with the brown sugar and the dark corn syrup. And then we are going to mix this on medium speed for about 10 to 15 seconds until it's well incorporated. And then we can move on to dumping in the eggs in there that have been lightly beaten. And then we're going to finish off with the lemon juice and vanilla extract. Alright, so make sure before you fill your tart shells that you defrost them and thaw them according to package instructions. Mine only asked for 10 minutes and that did the trick, so make sure you read your instructions to see depending on the type of shells that you bought. So now for the assembly, we are going to line each of the tart shells with pecans as much as you want. I would say don't go overboard with this because you still need room for the mixture to bake. I didn't cut my pecans. You are free to chop them up into smaller pieces if you like, but I just like the look of the bigger size pecans. But it's really up to you, whatever you want to do and how you want to make them look. I'm just giving you some options. Okay, so at this point I transferred my mixture into a measuring cup just to make the transferring part easier. So now I can just pour the mixture into each of the tarts. Just make sure you fill it up, not all the way up flush to the brim. Just make sure you leave a little bit of space because it is going to bubble and rise a bit when it bakes. So just fill up all of your tarts with the mixture and we are ready to pop them into the oven at 350 degrees Celsius. Hold on. Fahrenheit. Whoa, that was very wrong. 350 degrees Fahrenheit, also depending on the type of tarts you bought. 350 is what I have on my package instructions, so make sure you double check what yours says to ensure even baking times. All right, in they go. And out they come. Would you look at that? It was like magic. So mine baked for about 15 minutes. Again, you have to look at your package instructions and see how long it might take. I would say 10 to 15 minutes would be the ballpark. Just kind of keep your eye on it. And if it starts to really bubble and rise, and the crust around it is starting to turn golden brown, that is when you know it is time to take them out. So there you have it, my friends, butter pecan tarts or pecan butter tarts, whatever you like to call them. And honestly, I feel like this is the easiest recipe that I've shown on my channel that yielded the most delicious results. If you've never had a pecan butter tart, I highly recommend you try it out. It's so easy and I think you're gonna like it. Usually with pecan butter tarts, they're kind of sweet and I don't like them, but this recipe specifically just turned out perfect. Like, it's not too sweet and the texture and flavor of the pecans really go well with the caramel like ooey gooey filling. So let me know how yours turned out if you give it a try. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to Sharon Be Making Stuff. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video, where I actually make a real pie. So I hope you guys are excited for that, and I will see you next time. Bye!